Atongoi ma Ulei Matongoewe ni Kalonzo Musyoka Nimakwatiania na Musyi wa minister wa Silikalini ya Mwai Kibaki na Muyumbe wa Tene wa Mbooni Mututia Konzolo Munyao Ndeni wa Mboya Sya Kumulilikana Kanisani wa Nairobi Baptist. Atongoi aya ni mamueta Konzolo ta Mutongoi unai wa kwikwatio amaithingilela vata wa kwithiwa na siama ndumu nikana kuovosya Kenya kumana na utongoi muthuku wa oyu Ben Musawe na Movu.
Kanisani wa Nairobi Baptist Mboyani Sya Kumulilikana Mututia Konzolo Munyao Mutongoi wa Wiper Patriotic Front Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni wa mukathi ya Mututia Konzolo kumana na utongoi wake aiweta kana chama kilona atuye mutongoi wacho kwa ivinda ya secha DP kine ya sya unyivanini monini wa Bere North ni ungeyu na atwaiwe ndoto ila sya kwa tomba uni mutongoi wa PLP Mwandu Madhakarua.
We are here to honor a very distinguished, honorable Kenyan leader who has played his role on the national stage with such distinction. Mzee Munyao was one of our finest, even as a community of Makueni and Ukambani. The party that he so proudly led and was part of has just gone through a by-election. I want to, in my own view, say DP did not lose in Bere North.
Our country is at crossroads, and it is up to us, all of us, the clergy and lay people, politicians, everybody included, to weigh where we may have gone wrong and where we need to correct. The truth shall always be the truth. And yes, Bere and Malava and all this by-elections, something was terribly wrong. But as citizens, we must ask ourselves, even though we are oppressed, are the gifts worth it?
Na ke mutongoi wa DCP Rigathi Gachagua watonga movei wetakana mota ene ma county ya Nyeri maisa kulwa ni ondo Konzolo ngamia na president wa Tene Mututia Mwai Kibaki mwakani wangile na ile na utongo ine wake guonde aiwetakana vena vata wako sewe siya masina ulomu nikana kuovosya Kenya.
We from Nyeri remain indebted to the late Joseph Munyao for the way he stood with our third president, Mwai Kibaki, the formation of DP 1991, and he stuck with him. When he lost the elections in 1992, he stuck with him. When he lost in 1997, he stuck with him. And when he won in 2002, they won together. I really admire consistency and true friendship, because Joseph Munyao was a true friend of Mzee Mwai Kibaki, the greatest president Kenya has ever had. So as we honor him, as we bury him, let's be true people to friendship.
Na ke mutongoi wa DAPK Eugene Wamalwa niwaweta kana isomo inene yelamo a Kenya matonya kusoma kwa Mututia Konzolo ni kutongosya kwanza ila ya elite kethi watu na kielelo cha kwa ili ya Kenya.
If there's something we can borrow from there's one word that runs through all the stories we've heard about him and all the tributes paid today. And that word is integrity. 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 If we could just borrow that from Zay and inject that into our national discourse and our leadership, this country would truly change. Those who are talking about Kenya becoming a Singapore, it will take integrity in our leadership. It will take the kind of leadership that we've seen in Mzee to change this country.
Mututia Konzolo Munyao Atongoi sikili mbunge cha Mbooni kwa mavindara tu na atuika minister wa Ndona Makoyo Silikalini ya president Kibaki na valona atiwe ni dhayo kuma tukui miongo ilina eli Mwaini modelu vilingi wa Mavomo Tongoi TV nyeneta wa Ben Musau.